Saroj Khan, also fondly remembered as Master G, passed away in the early hours of this morning in Mumbai at the age of 72. She was admitted with breathing issues on the 17th of June and passed away following a cardiac arrest. Now, tributes that are now pouring in for the veteran choreographer who has won 3 national awards and has been behind the choreographing more than 2,000 plus songs. Even so, her favorite student and co-worker, Bollywood legend Madhuri Dixit, has just tweeted, and I just want to quote from that tweet where she says, "I'm devastated by the loss of my friend and guru, Saroj Khan. Will always be grateful for her work in helping me reach my full potential in dance. The world has lost an amazingly talented person. I will miss you. My sincere condolences to the family," unquote. So that is Madhuri Dixit. And Saroj Khan has been behind most of those music and dance performances that Madhuri Dixit has performed in her films. And to that effect, Madhuri Dixit is now paying her tributes, remembering her guru, Master G, she was fondly known as. She passed away, Saroj Khan, at the age of 72. She was admitted in the hospital for almost a month now, and thereafter she received a cardiac arrest and passed away early this morning.
We have no words to express our sorrow on losing a great technician and a great human being of our industry. We have lost great talent in recent times, and today again we lost a strength of our industry, a mother figure of our industry. The industry has lost a diamond today. We'll miss you, Sarojji, but your work will always remind us of your presence, of your contribution in the film industry. Peace be to your soul. Om Shanti.
Well, Saroj Khan is one of the most celebrated choreographers India has ever had, and has to accredit popular dance numbers from Bollywood, and has been a part of the industry as a child actor, as a child artist. She started with the age of 3 itself, and has won several accolades in her name. And after training under the choreographer B. Sohan Lal, she landed with her first independent break with Geeta Mera Naam. And over the years, Saroj Khan went on to work with the likes of Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and became one of the most sought-after choreographers. Also known as Master G, Saroj Khan has choreographed more than 2,000 songs in her career that spanned for over 40 years. Her work was rather last seen again with Madhuri Dixit in the film Kalank in the year 2019. And she was also known as the mother of dance and choreography in India. Saroj Khan, who is survived by a husband and 3 children, she was admitted in the hospital in Mumbai with breathing issues, and last night she suffered from a cardiac arrest and was pronounced dead by the hospital authorities.